Welcome to WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards. Looking for a simple way to offer store credit and gift cards in your WooCommerce store? With WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards, you get a complete solution to sell, manage, and customize store credit-based gift cards. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup process so you can start leveraging gift cards to boost sales and customer engagement. First, install and activate the WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Cards plugin from the WebToffee archive. Once activated, navigate to Gift Cards in your dashboard menu. Let's get started with Store Credit. Store Credit is a type of prepaid balance that customers can use to shop without needing to pay cash or use a credit card. This balance can be kept in the customer's account or provided as a voucher, which they can use when checking out for their purchases. Once the plugin is activated, your WooCommerce store gains access to features like offer store credit as a flexible payment option, sell or send gift cards as digital or physical products, add store credit coupons to the store, provide store credit-based refunds to retain sales, manage store credit balances efficiently from the backend. Now, let's see how to set this all up. Selling gift cards as products. Gift cards allow customers to purchase store credit for themselves or as gifts for others. To enable gift card products and sell them in your store, go to General Settings and General. Enable gift card product. Choose an order status for generating and sending gift cards. For example, this gift card is sent when an order is completed. Upon installation, a demo product with basic configurations will be added to your store. Customers can now purchase the product. To customize the product or create new gift card products, go to the Gift Card Products tab. You can edit the demo gift card product to modify its image, name, values, templates, and restrictions, or click Add New to create additional gift card products. This is just a simple product. There are so many more customization options available for gift card products, from enabling multiple purchase options to customizable gift card templates and emails. Check the description for detailed guides to help you along the way. Sending gift cards to users manually. Want to send a gift card directly to a customer? You can manually send gift cards for promotions, rewards, or special occasions from the backend without making a purchase from the store. To send a gift card manually, head to the Send Gift Cards tab. Select a gift card template and amount. Enter the recipient's name and email. Add an optional custom message. Click Send Email. The recipient will receive the gift card via email and can redeem it at checkout. Talking about gift card redemption, there are two methods that users can use to redeem the gift card. Apply the coupon code at checkout. Can be redeemed multiple times until the balance is exhausted. Or redeem the gift card for store credit in your wallet. A store credit wallet is a digital balance system that enables customers to store and manage their credit for future transactions. Customers can apply their wallet balance directly at checkout. This simplifies managing multiple gift cards, as all of them can be redeemed into one wallet. As a store owner, you can manage customer store credit balances from the backend. Head to Manage Store Credit. The page lists all users and their store credit balances. You can monitor the store credit usage and even modify store credit balances as needed. Issuing refunds as store credit. With this plugin, you can refund customers to store credit instead of cash or the original payment method. This approach keeps the funds within the store while offering customers a convenient way to receive refunds. To issue a refund to store credit, go to WooCommerce and Orders. Select an order to refund. Click Refund and enter the refund amount. Select Refund to store credit. The refund amount will be added to the customer's store credit balance. Sending products as gifts. This is a unique feature where customers can send gift cards equivalent to a product's price using the Send as Gift feature. To enable this option, navigate to General Settings and Send Product as Gift. Enable Send Product as Gift. Customize settings like button names, restrictions, and display options. Now, customers will see a Send as Gift button on selected product pages, allowing them to send personalized gift cards associated with the product suggestion. For more details on advanced features, check out the documentation linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.